guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to give you 8 freebies and instant wins that I recommend for you all to sign up for before the time is up. The first one is from Argon Essence. They are giving away free samples of their shampoo. So I will have that information as well as the rest down below in my description box so you guys can get signed up for that. So the next one I have here is from the company Deer Park, and they sell water as well as sparkling water. And this coupon, it's been out for a while and it's still going on. So you have a chance to get, I believe it's a 8-pack of their sparkling water, but this is only for select states. So when you check out the website, just make sure that you are seeing which particular states are able to receive these coupons. So the next one is for free vegan deodorant, and this is from Harvey Dreimann. So if you're interested in signing up to try their new product, you guys can check this one out as well. So the next one here is from Bob Mills Better Bars, and they are giving away a 3-pack of sample of their bars. And if you're interested in signing up for that, they have a coupon code that is called Well Good. So when you sign up for this, just make sure you put that in there, and then you'll receive an email letting you know that your samples are on the way. So if you have a Boost Mobile near you, they are giving away free book bags with school supplies inside. So make sure that when you decide to go out and get this freebie, that you check first on the website, put your zip code in and see where they are doing this, their time and their location, because it's very important. Some dates may be August 3rd, it just depends. But definitely make sure you put your zip code in first to know if there's gonna be one near you and when and how you can go ahead to the store and grab one of those school supplies for your little ones. So the next one is ending really quickly. It actually ends on the 28th of this month, and this one is from Unilever. And the reason why I decided to add this one is because the closer that it gets to the end date of a instant win game, the better your chances of winning. So try to get in on this before it's up. As I said before, it ends on the 28th. You have a chance to win one of the 600 beauty boxes that they're giving away. So the next instant win game comes from M&M's, and they are giving away 10,200 StubHub and Fandango gift cards. So this instant win lasts a little bit longer. It won't be over until September the 9th. So you have a lot of time to get signed up and try to get your hands on one of those prizes. And then the next one comes from the tobacco company Camel. So Camel is giving away 1,800 gift cards, and these gift cards are worth $50 each. So this instant win game ends on September the 17th, so definitely go out and get signed up for that. And the last one that I have is from Coca-Cola. They are in partnership with Six Flags, and Six Flags is giving away some tickets, and they are giving away 2,442 tickets. And the last day to enter this instant win game will be September the 2nd. So guys, I know this video was quick. Just wanted to get straight to the point. Go out there and sign up for these, and let me know what your luck was like in these entries. So until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye.